Hello and welcome to the video. Walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a Toyota Prius Prime. This is a 4-passenger hatchback in Blizzard Pearl, and under the hood you'll find a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder driving on 15-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your turn signals on the side mirrors, a backup camera, and a proximity smart key system which allows for easy access. But now why don't we hop inside this Prius and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button. Like I mentioned, this Prius does have a proximity smart key system, so if you got your key fob in your pocket and the vehicle is locked, you can put your hand right in there and that'll unlock for you. On the bottom of the door, you have some storage space. Above it, you'll find your power windows, locks, and mirrors. This Prius is equipped with all weather mats and black cloth seating. And on the bottom, you will find your manual seating adjustment handles. Now let's hop inside and start this Prius up. Just press that brake in, power button right behind the wheel. First things first is the left side of the steering wheel. This cluster right here will allow us to navigate and control the entertainment screen we got in the center here. Below that, you have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. Moving to the right, this cluster right here will allow us to navigate through the multi-information display. If we look underneath, we will find the heated steering wheel button, which is convenient for those cold winter days. And here you have your Toyota Safety Sense buttons with lane departure alert and dynamic radar cruise control. And your cruise control speed settings are located right behind the wheel there. Moving on to our screen, right now we are on home. On the left side of the screen, you have any audio that might be playing as well as any device that might be connected. On the right, we have your battery display. Shows how much you got left and where the power is going to. If we go into audio, here you have your standard options such as AM and FM. You also have a choice between CD, USB auxiliary, and a Bluetooth device. This Prius does have a backup camera as well. Moving down to our climate control system, we've got these nice buttons right here, of course, for your temperature, intensity, and function. Underneath, here is the Prius shifter, different drive modes. And if we go a little further down, you will find your driver and passenger heated seats. Here you have some storage compartments as well as 2 cup holders. And in here you have your USB and auxiliary and your 12-volt outlet. So before we open up the cargo, let's take a quick look in the back. You have a nice little storage compartment on the bottom of the door. Continuing with the black cloth seating and the all-weather mats. If we take a look in the center here, the rear passengers have their own little center console as well as 2 cup holders. And these seats do fold down. All we gotta do is press this button and that'll give you access to your cargo. To open up, all we gotta do is press this button under the Toyota emblem. Looking inside the back of this hatchback, there's plenty of cargo space. Above, we do have a nice little cargo cover. And like I mentioned, the second row seating does fold down in case you need that extra bit of space. To close up, we got these handles on both sides. Just give that a gentle push. Taking a last look at our Toyota Prius Prime. Once again, some of those great interior features include your hands-free calling, Bluetooth compatibility, and heated seats. There's a whole lot more I still didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here, Toyota Northwest Edmonton, on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk-around video. My name's Christian, and as always, drive safe.